Oh yeah, there's a new killer. DLC. Why would I want to use this on him? Alright. Who's the new survivor? It's Kendo! Sort of. Martha. She's got a pan. My new main. Hey, wait. What is it? It looks way worse than it is, trust me. I know it looks like absolute dog shit. I know. But you'll be surprised. Last time, I have only streamed this once, and chat was fucking loving it. Alright, 1 second. Yeah, it's actually a good game. Alright, one moment, guys. I'll be right back really. No one joins. I'll play Rotato for at least a match. Okay, 1 second. Where are they all? There's a big content patch. What? What do they have against Western Canada? Wait. Bots work. One second. Oh, Bawkbasoup. Oh, so good. By the way, guys, this game is free. Nah, it was just okay. It was just okay. Guys, it's free. Come on in. Feel free to join. I haven't seen all of them, but I've seen a few of them. I'll give it 5 minutes. We could try Brotato. 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 Brotato, bro ho 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 tato, bro ho 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 ho. Do do do. I love the theme. Sing it, chat. Hey, Abolish. Oh wait, it costs money now? Oh, it used to be free. Here, I'll have to try and YOLO getting some lobbies then. Alright, we'll get in one. I know it. Damn. Oh, there is a single player mode. I haven't tried it. Okay. Why does it shoot backwards? What the hell is this? Wait. Whoa! This guy's weird. Okay, so I don't even know what my skills do. I know what that does. Alright. There he is! Sure? Cause where is he? Sir? Oh shit! Don't worry, we got him. We got him right where we want him. Holy shit! This does too much damage. What?
Decapitate his time has come.
There's no way it does that much damage in multiplayer. Yahoo! Oh, what am I getting? Static electricity or something? Ah. It's just not the same offline, guys. It's just not the same. You need to play online. I need to see what his moves do too. One sec. Wait. Back. How do you even see his moves? Oh, there it is. Okay. 5 HP per second. Ah. That's crazy. Oh. Holy shit, that's nutty. Seems fun. But he takes forever to switch his weapon. Oh, is it really loud? Alright, guys. I'll see if we got 3 Soup Troopers that downloaded the game in that short period of time. Let's see. Any troopers? Boop. Beep, beep, beep. Boop. The game's free. Caught in the dark. I wish people played this game. It's actually really fun. Yes, this is the Puppet Master theme. Someone said janky Harry Potter earlier. Poor Puppet Master came out years before Harry Potter. Ah. No one cares about Puppet Master. I think it's just one big joke. Yeah, guys. We got screwed. We got someone. We got someone. We got 2. One more. One more, fellas. One more. There it is. All right, pick your character, fella. No. And let's go! Beep, beep, beep. What's the push to talk? Why is he 240 cooldown? This shit. 240. I can pick my other main, I guess. Is that how much money he costs? Wait, is the game really loud? The human gave up. We got him. I turned it down. Here, I'll be the human. I'll be the human. I'll be the human for the first round. I'll be the human. Get your wieners back in here. Get your wieners back in here right now. Oh, they're there. I'll be the human. I'll be Martha, aka Kendo.
Ah!
Alright, so what can she do? Health, good. Speed, terrible. Great. Holy shit, speed bad. I don't lose, by the way. Oh. Fuck. Can I pick that up? Dude, what's this janky animation? Can we give me my frying pan back? Where'd it go? My frying pan! Guess we're using this. Very little. He's a hacker! That's it. Get away from me, you psycho! Dude, why am I taking dot damage this whole time? Get out of here, you little shit. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. I need a gun. What? There, get fucked. Man, they actually, I'm not saying this because I'm getting destroyed. They actually buffed Killer a lot, it seems. Where are you stupid fucks? Run, lady! Run, Lady Kendo! What the hell is this thing? He's got the brick out! They have 1 health. Okay, so this is oh, I can see them. The Dominator is available. Oh wait, so he's so OP that he just becomes available? Okay, well there's one of my things. Get out of here, you stupid. What's the push to talk? Get out of here! Oh shit. Fellas? Oh my god, I need to down one of them, Jesus. Oh, there we are. Wait. Can I come in? Oh, I can. What? It's in there? Dude. Get my health back. Get my health back. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, I'm dead. Surprisingly, whoever's playing that character is not... Well, then maybe they are, but they knew the strats on that guy. Yeah, shake it, girl. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, I got one book. Epic, dude. All right, what is the push to talk? Wait. No, 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 come back. Come back, come back, come back. One more, one more, one more, one more. One more, one more. Someone else be survivor. Oh. Yeah, yeah, there we go. There we go. Nope. Here we go. Here we go. Nah, you guys just watched a singular match. You can destroy a survivor. I just didn't... There's a gun for survivor that, like, just annihilates, but I didn't find it. Also, her animations, like the new girl, felt, like, wrong. Like she wasn't done or something. Like, it felt super half-baked. Alright, here we go, here we go. This chick that I'm playing as is OP. There he is! Get him, boys! Hey, can you guys hear me? Oh my god. Wait. I can still cue something. What is this? What is this? Oh, wait, wait, wait. Let me pick a different character. I don't know how. Let's be Tunneler. He's got one move. She is OP. I'm just terrible. Or I don't know if she's, the game has probably changed a ton. Last time I played it was in like December. There he is. Let's go, Skeeter. Started. There we are. Get him, boys.
I'll chuck you into firewood.
You got me. Get him, fellas. And that's all. Oh. I was watching that. Human has been killed. My guy did nothing. I was drilling into his wiener. I guess I was dead for most of that. I'll be the human. I'll be the human. All right, I'm going in. The game is way better with voice chat, but I don't know if it's working or if no one's talking, but it is what it is. This guy playing the main demon is gonna 1v1 me. Press my button. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Hey! How is he back? Got him again. There he goes.
How dare you?
And that bleed lasts a long time. Holy shit. I don't even know where the other guys are. Oh, for fuck's sake. I forgot that existed. Oops. No, no. Oh shit, the whole crew's here. Eat the bottle! 2 health. Die, you piece of shit. We're back up, we're back up. Let's get the fuck out of here. Look at them, they know the strats. Everyone's god tier at this game. Oh my god! Oh my god, they're so tanky! Get my health back. Yeah, that's alright, that's alright. Get up! I'll take it. Come on. Wake up, buddy, wake up. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Oh god, I have like no health. Oh my god, that does so much damage. Oh my god, that lightning attack just fucking destroyed me. Well, that was the end, by the way. So Survivor just has to get to that elevator and then... Yeah, so So when I played this game, I don't know. I'm not complaining, by the way. Or like, I lost because I'm terrible. Alright, that's the first sentence. But holy shit, when I played this, guys, I shit you not, Human was way better. Like, Human was the better one. You just like, you one-tapped everything. I almost won. That was really close. But no, you definitely come in. I'm pretty sure Pitchborn, well, either it's a god-gifted gamer or they've played this before. They're definitely good at the game. Oh, we lost someone. Mrs. Runeby. How is Mrs. Runeby? Tell us everything. I think we lost him. Skill issue, yeah. Skill issue. Alright, fellas. Oh, the whole... They did add some new stuff. They added a new killer and a new survivor. I need to see. There was something, oh yeah, here it is. Oh, I had an ability appear when I died, but I guess it was just a bug. Yeah, guys, this game is free. It's really fun, especially with friends. Like if you're all using voice and stuff. Look. DLC. That's DLC, okay? DLC only. Yeah, that was fun, Chris. That's me petting chat, look. Alright, fellas. Oh, skeeters. Skeeter beaters. Oh, the fellerinos in the chat. Even if we were leeches? Oh. Wait. Oh my god, dude. I was using my fucking controller, man. Oh, I wasn't even talking anyway. It's left alt. See. Wait, I'm very confused. This isn't the streamer safe. Wait. This is the streamer safe music? This is the theme to the movie, and whatever this is. I don't know what the hell this is. All right. Down, down, better, oh, wait, no. I said I would play one. Before I go, I'll do one match of Brotato. One sec. I've played like 5 games today. Let's make her a big 6.